Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the display board assembly in your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the control panel's lower cover. Remove the cover. Next, unthread the two screws securing the control panel to the frame. Place a towel on the cooktop surface, then detach the control panel and rest it on the towel. Disconnect the DisplayBoard wire connector. Remove the two mounting screws securing the DisplayBoard. You can now lift the old DisplayBoard assembly out. Install the new DisplayBoard assembly by inserting the bracket tabs in the panel notches. Thread and tighten the mounting screws. Connect the wire connector to the new board. Realign the control panel on the front brackets. Secure it with the screws. Replace the lower cover, then thread the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the electric range should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.